Hey everyone, if Z is the compressibility factor, van der Waals equation at low pressure can be written as, first we'll write the van der Waals equation, okay? What is the van der Waals equation? P plus AN squared by V squared. We can write V, which is the volume occupied by the molecules, and here also volume occupied Vm minus Nb is equal to nRT. Okay, now Vm minus Nb gives us the volume of the free space occupied by the gas. This Nb is the volume occupied by the molecules. This Vm is the free space occupied by the molecules of the gas. Similarly, this is a free space occupied by the molecules of the gas, this V. Okay, so now if we are talking about at low pressure the ideal gas and the real gas behavior is same. Okay, so the molecules are very far apart from each other. So if we take the consideration into the volume of the molecules, that volume of the molecules will become negligible as compared to the free space occupied by the molecules of the gas. Both of the volume will become now equal. Okay, both of the volume will become negligible, because at low pressure what happened? If we consider the volume of the molecules, you can see the volume of the molecules are very far apart. They are at low pressure. Even if we will bring the molecules, even if we will compare the volume of the molecules and volume of the free space occupied by the gas, if we would have done this replace this molecules into such a smaller position, then also this volume of the molecules would have been negligible. Okay, because at low pressure what happened? The real gas behave just as an ideal gas. Okay, so even if the volume of the molecules are now considered as a point mass, and if we bring it nearer, then also this volume of the molecules is negligible as compared to the free space occupied by this molecules of the gas. Okay, so we can exclude this term from the equation. So now the equation will become P plus AN square by Vm square into Vm is equal to nRT. Now in the options which are given to us, Z is equal to 1 minus PBRT, Z is equal to 1 plus PBRT, Z is equal to 1 plus RT by PB, Z is equal to 1 minus AVM by RT. There is no way there is N. That means they are talking about for 1 mole of gas. So now the equation will become P plus A into 1 by Vm square into Vm is equal to RT. Okay, now here in this one we can write P into Vm plus A by Vm square into Vm. So Vm will get cancelled. Okay, now we'll divide the whole equation by RT. So PVm by RT plus A by Vm RT is equal to RT by RT. Okay, so PV by RT is equal to 1 minus A by Vm RT. So PVM by RT is equal to what? We know Z is equal to PV by RT, which is the compressibility factor. This we had derived in the synopsis part. So instead of this we can write Z. So Z is equal to 1 minus A by Vm RT. Okay, so the correct value of the compressibility factor will be option D. Option D will be the correct option for this question. Okay, correct answer of this question. I hope this has answered your question. Thank you.